Hey there, my name is Himanshi and welcome to Spin the City. Last time I visited Switzerland, I visited all the major places, but I missed Zermatt. So this time I made sure I covered it. One thing that distinguishes Zermatt from rest of Switzerland is that it's a car-free zone, which means that there will be no cars running on the road. The only means of transport over here is public transports which run on electricity or walking. It's also a very pretty town. Let's see Zermatt together. Nestled deep in the Swiss Alps beneath the legendary Matterhorn, Zermatt is one of the most beautiful mountain towns in Europe, famous for skiing, scenic valleys, cozy chalets, and breathtaking alpine views. The village feels like a real-life snow globe. Almost everywhere in town you can see the dramatic peak of Matterhorn towering in the background. Sunrise and sunsets are especially magical when the mountain glows in pink and orange. One of Switzerland's most scenic train rides takes you high into the mountains with incredible views of glaciers and Matterhorn. Europe's highest cable car station offers snow activities nearly all year and panoramic views across Switzerland, Italy and France. The old quarter of town still has traditional wooden barns and houses built centuries ago on stone stilts to protect food from rats and snow. Zermatt became internationally famous during the rise of mountaineering in the 1800s. Climbers from across Europe came here hoping to conquer the Matterhorn. Oh, and here's a scary fact. More than 500 climbers have died attempting the summit because of difficult weather and terrain. The first successful ascent in 1865 turned the village into one of the world's most famous alpine destinations. Most travelers reach here by flying into Zurich or Geneva, take trains to Zermatt via Visp, Cars are not allowed inside Zermatt, so visitors park at Tasch and continue by shuttle train. I also wanted to go to ski really bad, but we couldn't go because the prices were a little high and not everybody in my family can ski and waiting that long was just not worth it. So we had to pass. Right when we stepped out of the train, we saw an Indian restaurant, which is no less than finding treasure for Indians. We had an amazing feast that day. And if you liked watching this video, make sure to hit like and please do subscribe to my channel. Comment down any suggestions that you have for my videos and see you in another place in another video. Bye!